Alrighty, so far we're doing pretty good for World 1. Now we're on a world, or not on a World 2 yet. No, I gotta get past this level, and then we got a boss fight, I believe, in the next level. Also, this is a new partner that I forgot to show. It was in the first level. This is LED Elephant. So yeah, they gave us a new animal buddy, which is the elephant. I think they got rid of the rhino, I believe, in this game, which is kind of sad because the Randy the rhino was always one of my favorite animal buddies. So. Also, I believe she's actually, Ellie is scared of mice, but if she's fine in the dark, but when you see him in the light, she freaks out. I'll show you. Like that, see? Point guy, I totally forgot about that. Good thing I remembered. There we go. And you press Y to suck things up. Oh! I didn't realize that thing was gonna shoot you up there. I thought you had to bring your own barrel up here, my bad. But yeah, you use the metal thing to suck that up, and then you head into the bonus barrel like so. Find the coin. So I believe the main goal is not to get hit by the bees. And do your best not to get hit by the bees. And then I got the bonus coin, which is 10. Now I'm just gonna get the other mouse and we're set. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Oh, I wasn't able to get the. Oh. Oh well. No! Oh. Oh my gosh, I was doing so good. Oh. I'll probably meet you guys back down there or something. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it back to where I was. Oh my goodness. Yay, I got the G this time. There! We did it! Ha ha ha! Mommy Simo, we did it! Yeah! Okay, now I might as well show this off. Swanky slideshow. Here's Swanky. He was the guy who ran the game show. Well, what'd you believe it? Hello, Kongs. Welcome along to my all-new bonus tent. The show's on the road, and it's in every land. The cost of this game, 2 coins in the hand. There are some great prizes in an offer today, so come on in and choose your play. Just do it that way. Come on, Kongs. Have a go. You could well win. You never know. Okay, Kongs, which is your choice today? Which game would you like to play? Head-to-head. Today's contest is a throwing game with a difference. Oh, you reached the bonus game then, have you? It's all because it's not just a simple game of questions. Now he's got to beat yours truly if you want to win any prize. Alright, so the main goal is to basically hit these targets. And you gotta beat Cranky. There we go. So far I've been doing a pretty decent job. There we go. I'm just trying to concentrate. I did it! So you managed to flunk a victory, huh? I'd like to see you try again. I think you've played this game before, haven't you? I figured I might as well show that off. And now it's time for Belcha's Barn. I wonder if it's the barn from Conker's Bad Fur Day. That was a really funny area. Okay, main goal is throw. I like this, how they made a barrel a boss, considering how we use barrels all the time. That's kind of funny. Anyways, the main goal is to basically get him to burp by throwing these bugs inside his mouth. That's why it's called Belcha. And wow, that was pretty easy. Boom. Look at that. Like, Ori Cantana is complete. Alright, next up, Cramwood Forest. Barreled shield bust up. Okay, grab the K. I do not know what those enemies are named. I'll have to look that up. Oh! Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Go, 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 go. Okay, be careful. Go, careful. And go! Oh, no! Okay, go. Up, 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 up. Bonus barrel. Okay, keep going. Be careful. 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 Get the coin. Oh, I got the coin. Okay, up. Here we go. Break that. Okay, now follow the barrel. Follow the barrel. Here we go. It's gonna hit the barrel. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, careful, careful. KKON. Okay, collect the bananas. Oh, what's there? Anything up here? Oh, the G. No! I love that I burped right as I said no. I'm like, no! No! Did I miss the DK coin here? Oh. Okay, follow the barrel. Okay, okay, okay. Don't jump off the rope. Yeah, I think I might have missed the DK coin here, unless there's something towards the end here. No, I don't see anything there yet. Okay, there must be something. Oh, there must be a way to get down there. Oh! Down there. Oh, do I have to throw? Oh, I think I see what I gotta do. There. Oh, I'm an idiot. There we go. Now we got another DK colony. I just blow the wall up like that, and we're good. Dang, I'm a genius. Kind of. How did I make the same mistake twice? Come on, Zach. Get your head in the game, man. Oh! Okay. Blow that up. I'm up. Oh, yeah, there's a barrel right there to get my buddy out. Okay, go. Bonus! Yes! Grab 15 bananas. Okay. Climb up here. Head down. Turn. Head down. Turn. Oh. Go. Yes! I'm usually terrible at that, so I'm kind of proud of myself. There we go. Uh-oh. Barrel shield bust up. Alright, let's go save here. Oh, she fell asleep. Well, if she's asleep, I'm sure she won't mind us saving our game, though. Let's do that. We are at 14% of the game. So we're getting there. You get something to drink because I'm thirsty. Holy cow. Whoa, let's check the controller. Alright, here we go. Riverside Race. Oh, this one's tough. Okay, you got 1 minute and 15 seconds to beat this record. I'll do that when I come back here, because I am definitely going to come back here. Because you gotta go fast, so. Okay, I took him out. Oh, I'm so close. Oh, I hate those bees. Those little bees, those things are the worst. No, I didn't mean to do that. There, wait for him to jump into the water. There we go. Bonus barrel again. I'll do the time after I'm done completing getting everything in the level. Okay, so our main goal is to grab 15 bananas. This is actually a really challenging level. I'm gonna switch over to Dixie just to be a little less worried about hitting the fish. No. No! I was so close! Oh, I'm so grateful to just randomly put that there. Grab 15 bananas. Ah, what I feel like I got burnt. Unlike the dude, like the barrel that we fought last part. There it is. There we go. Grab that. Grab that. I gotta move fast. No! Oh, maybe I should just use Kitty calling. Yeah, I'm gonna use Kitty. Go! Okay, grab that. You gotta be kidding me! Oh my goodness, I was so close! Okay, oh! Go! Okay, I'm so close, I'm so close, so close, so close, close. Last, yeah. Get up there, get the coin. Yes! Okay. Oof! I probably have to either speed that up or, cut it out of the video. Oh. Yeah, I definitely did not break the record. Just want to see anything up there. Nope. Did not mean to do that. And then I game over. Well, not game over, I lose a life. Open. Oh, what? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, I think I remember this. Oh, that's right, I remember now. I believe there should be a invincible barrel out there. We go. Get up here, right to the bonus barrel. Bash the baddies. There we go. Oh, I was, those views are tall, the ones that bounce. Oh my! That was so lucky! Are you serious? Right there! Oh, I gotta bounce. Throw it. Alright, there we go. You get coin. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Again, that level is pretty dang tough, and then I gotta go back because I want to beat that timer. You gotta clear the level in about a minute and 15 seconds. So you gotta go fast, man. That's why I'm using Kitty's water jump ability. Yeah, just circuit decay, just keep going. How you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? You feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Go! Really? Oh, this is the one that has the invincible barrel. Oh, this is the one that's got that. Oh, I was doing it there. Oh, I gotta hurry up and go. Go. Are you serious?
Ah! Why didn't she take me forever? I did that on my first try. That was amazing! Dude! Oh my goodness! Man! The Let's Play Curse has been good to me this one. Holy crap! And Diddy, stop blowing bubblegum and concentrate on your job. Oh. Okay, grab this. There we go. Okay, kill the mouse. Kill the mouse! Kill the mouse! Kill the mouse! Just kidding. Okay. Okay, take him out. Go the bonus barrel. Then collect 20 stars. Get the dang stars. Go, go, go. Yes! 16. We got a pretty good amount of those, but we haven't even touched the later levels. Go, I should open that up. Hit the bonus barrel. Oh, I need Kitty to get up there. Help me get that one up there. You get up there. There we go. Take him out. Chuck that. There we go. Bonus barrel time. Grab 15 bananas. Oh, another one of these. Why did I jump? See, now you can move. You should move. Ugh. Okay. Oh! Sound like Homer Simpson there. Oh! Oh! That almost got me. Why did I throw her that way? What? No, throw her up. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Go! Oh, I got it. 17 of those bad boys so far. Can't take care of the mouse. Oh, wow, who got him? No! Oh, I didn't mean to throw her up there. Oh. Oh, I can just get there on my own. I didn't even need to throw her. My bad. I'm sorry, Dixie. Okay. I was gonna jump in the barrel. I thought that would be really funny looking if I actually killed him by entering the barrel. No, the other. Okay. Oh wow, I got him both. That was a double whammy right there. Okay. And down you go, all the way back to the bottom. Yeah, this is a cool level. I kind of like it. Dang, that was pretty funny. Okay, get the bird over there and that'll give you some extra lives. And I beat the level. Yeah, I thought that was actually a really fun level. I kind of like it. And alrighty, here we go. Springing spiders.